Hello class. Today what I want to do is I want to share with you guys a color wheel. So I tried to find a good video online, couldn't find anything that I liked, so I thought I'm going to make one for you. So what we have here is a color wheel. We have 12 colors being represented on this particular color wheel. That's pretty standard. Now, a lot of these things you probably already know, but if you don't, that's why I'm going to go over them. So first and foremost, your main triangle that we have right here, if I could draw this out well, all right, has yellow, red, and blue. Those are your primary colors. Those are the colors that are used to make all these other wonderful colors. Okay. Now, in between a couple primary colors, you have your greens, your purple, and your orange. All right. Those are your secondary colors, and those are found in between the two colors that are used to make that color. Okay. Now, that's great. Okay. Primary, secondary colors, Mr. Carlos, we learned this a long time ago. Good. Now, this is something you probably didn't know. This is your next level of colors. There's 6 additional ones. They're called the tertiary colors, or the terts as I like to call them. They're the ones that fit in between a primary and a secondary color. So for example, you got green, you got yellow, well, you get kind of a lime green. Okay. You've got orange and you got yellow, you get kind of more like a tangerine, or I call it a yellow-orange color. Okay. And you get all those colors that fit in between there. Those are the ones that are a little bit trickier to identify, and also for students to mix if they're mixing them out of paint. So that's what we have. We've got our primary, secondary, tertiary colors that are found in this format. Typically also too, when I make my color wheel, I always like to kind of start up with yellow at the top and then kind of work my way down. It's not a bad idea too to even start putting your primary colors in, then your secondaries, and then fill them in with your tertiaries. So you almost kind of go in a sequential order. Now there are other color theories too. We could talk about complementary colors. Those are colors directly across from each other on the color wheel. We could talk about analogous colors, colors that are by each other on the color wheel, warms, cool colors. There's all kinds of different color theories in words that we can kind of talk about. But for right now, I just wanted to go over the 12 colors, the primaries, the secondaries, and tertiary colors, and introduce those to you. So I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see what we create with these color wheels.